Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over natural gas, ETF ticker symbol UNG. Today we are down 1.56% on the 1 hour chart. We are converting or going negative on the 1 hour MACD, and we may find this as support, but we'll see on the 4 hour chart. We are pointing down on the MACD. We may head negative. On the daily chart, we do see a positive note for the bulls is the MACD is pointing up and it may turn positive soon. So at the moment we touched on support on the 9-day moving average and we are hitting resistance on the 50-day moving average. As you can see, we closed around twice where we were above the 50-day moving average, so we are getting higher lows, and that is a positive sign that the trend is pointing up at the moment. And as for resistance, I see possible resistance shaping up right here. Reason why, this is a price gap right there around the price of $21.80. And as for support, we are on immediate support at the moment, but if that does fail and we continue lower, I'll see the 18-day moving average as support. Reason why, there is price concentration and it's touching the 18-day moving average as well. So that is at the price of $19.98. So if we were to move on higher, that price movement to touch the resistance is roughly around 4.8%. And if we were to reverse and continue on down, that price movement is around 3.5% move down. So let's head to the forecast model. I'll go day by day where natural gas will head to in the next coming days. So 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, and 7 days out. So again, which among these forecasts is the one that I'm interested in is the February 9th, 2015 to May 6, 2015. So around 8%. Let me prove you why that trend interests me the most is what we have here in the current trend. I'll compare the current trend right here and the trend from the forecast back in 2015. So what we have here in the beginning is we're touching the upper Bollinger Band right here, and then we proceeded to go down lower right after it, and then we broke out the downtrend and we touched the bottom, or I mean above upper Bollinger Band, and then we proceeded to see the same pattern down here as well. We start to see a touch on the upper Bollinger Band, and we see the trend heading down for several weeks, and then it quickly reverse to touch the upper Bollinger Band towards the end right here. So what we have is 1, 2, 3 points, and as well 1, 2, 3 points. So there's reason to believe that the trends and patterns are the same. The outcome and forecast would also be the same. So that's what we see here. And this forecast, February 9th, 2015, May 6th, 2015. Back then, natural gas was up around 8%. I do see a slight favor for the bulls in the uptrend in the coming days. So that coincides with the technical analysis and with the forecast machine. So that is all. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.